there, it's Robbie Makes Things, and I just wanted to show you what I'm working on now. I had all this old wood and parts of my countertop that were left over, so I decided to make this, I don't know, little table or cabinet, I guess. It's going to sit here between my fridge and stove. You can see that it's got a little bit of space, and it's the perfect place for a toaster, because I have a long toaster that will fit across the top or sit on this bottom part because I don't use it that much. But anyway, it's just going to add some extra storage. So this is the front. I'm adding in these things right here, these bracers, to add in some extra stability. So I've got that side completed, and I just had things setting up overnight with glue before I continue to work on it. And I'm working on these back legs, so that was gluing. I've got to turn it over, glue the other side, and then glue that bracer piece in. And then hopefully it will stand steady, but we'll see how this goes. I'll get back to you and let you know how it turned out. Thanks. Hi there, I just wanted to do a little update on the table that I made. So here it is, and as you can see from the top, I just stuck some butcher block oil and conditioner on it. So I did the whole thing. And this table is the same as my countertop, which is 34.5 inches high. And I'm just waiting for this to sit in there for a bit, and then wipe it off and let it dry for 6 hours. For my cabinet, I also took the big one. It's beautiful, isn't it? And I'm oiling the front and bottom, the top and bottom of this one as well. So I've already done the bottom. This is the top, and I'm just waiting for the timer to go off. I let the oil and conditioner sit in there for about 10 minutes because we live in a really dry province, and I think that it really needs that extra moisture. I'm probably, after 6 hours, I'm probably going to do another one on both sides around the edges and wipe that off and let that dry further 6 hours before I install it back onto here. This is what it looks like. So I'm using that pure and natural mineral oil. It conditions and protects wood. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm just letting this dry, and I'll talk to you soon after I get everything set up and looking pretty. Thanks.